Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing ayah number 15 of Suratul Mulk in deeper study of the surahs. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayat number 15 is Huwa allazi ja'ala lakumul arza zalulan famshu fi manakibiha wa kulu min rizqihi wa ilayhin nushur. So let's look at the translation of this ayah first. He is the one who smoothed out the earth or made the earth subservient for you. So move about in its regions and eat from his provisions, and to him is the resurrection of all. So first of all, let's look at the word zalulan. Zalulan means to make something extremely humble. This word is usually used to describe an animal that has been tamed so that the humans can use it. And the earth must be extremely violent in the past when it was created. There must have been a lot of explosions and a lot of earthquakes and instability, and Allah humbled it and made it calm for us to live on it. The earth, you know that it's also revolving on its axis, and it's also rotating. It's also moving around the sun as well. So there are two kinds of movements that it's doing, and in addition to that, the solar system is also like moving at a very great speed around the axis of its own. So all those movements, despite all those movements in a great speed, we can calmly live on it. The ground under our feet has been made soft for us to dig and plant things in it and to get resources from the earth. Had it been made of iron, we would not have been able to dig and get all those resources. So Allah made it soft for us. And Allah also stabilized the earth by anchoring mountains on it. And we know that the mountains, they have roots which makes them anchored into the earth, and because of that there is stability on the earth. So all those things have been done by Allah to make this earth livable for us. And then there is another word in it which is famshu. Where is the ayah? Okay, so huwallazi ja'ala lakum, he is the one who ja'ala lakum, he made for you al arz, this earth, zalulan, he made it livable, zalulan, he made it subservient for us, smooth for us. Famshu. So let's look at this word famshu now. Famshu means to walk. So because different words are used in Arabic for different kinds of walk, like there are words for strolling, for running, etc. So famshu is a purposeful walk towards getting risk or provision and walk around. So we're invited to walk around to get provision for ourselves, not just to sit idly, but to work hard for the provisions. And then the next word is famshu fi manakibiha. So manakibiha, let's look at this word. The word means different paths. Fi means in, so in its different paths. So we are invited to travel in different places on the earth. And then let's look at the next part of the ayah, zalulan, zalulan. So huwallazi, he is the one, ja'ala, who made lakum, for you, al arz, this earth, zalulan, made it subservient, famshu fi manakibiha, so you just walk around on its different pathways, wakulu min rizqihi. So let's look at that. Eat from his provision. Allah made this earth livable for us and provided us with different kinds of foods. So we are invited to enjoy the different kinds of provisions given to us by Allah. And wa ilayhi nushur. And an nushur means when something is opened up, when something is spread out. And earth experiences nushur when it blossoms, when there's a lot of flowers, and in the spring season. So this refers to how humans will emerge from their graves on judgment day and spread out. The final return will be towards Allah. So this is ayah number 15. Let's just review it again. Huwallazi ja'ala lakumul arza, he is the one who made this earth for you, zalulan. The word we discussed, that it means it made it subservient, it made it soft for us to live on. Famshu, so walk around. This is kind of like a purposeful walk. Fi, in it, in manakibiha, in its pathways. So famshu fi manakibiha, so walk around in its different pathways. Wakulu, and eat mir rizqihi, from the risk that has been provided by Allah for us. Wakulu mir rizqihi, so eat from the provision, from his provision. Wa ilayhi nushur, and towards him an nushur is our final return. So this was ayah number 15. Inshallah I'll continue further tomorrow. Fi aman Allah.